woman. Everyone. A lovely witch appeared on a pumpkin farm. A pumpkin was not his favorite. So, another person comes up. And then, I didn't hit you until somebody finds your pumpkin. And then she said, "This is a beautiful pumpkin for me." Until another person, "This is a beautiful pumpkin for me." When I found it first, you didn't. I don't want to share. I am promising you. And then one person picked it and from it until he carved it first. I carved it first. He carved it real quick until I carved it. And then he was really sad. He sat on the floor and he was tearing on his sand. Until she gave it to us and we can share